Tensions rise as Belarusian helicopters reportedly cross into Polish airspace during a training exercise. Poland's Ministry of Defense has reported that 2 Belarusian military helicopters violated Polish airspace during a training exercise. In response to the incursion Mariusz Błaszczak, the Minister of Defense has ordered the number of soldiers on the border to be increased. The Belarusian side had previously informed Poland about the training drills, the Polish Ministry of Defense said in a statement. The border crossing reportedly took place at a very low altitude, making it difficult to detect by radar systems. The Polish MOD noted, therefore, in the morning announcement, the operational command of the armed forces branches informed that the Polish radar systems did not record any violation of Polish airspace. NATO has been informed of the incident. A statement released by the Polish MOD on Tuesday, August 1, said, after the commanders and service chiefs presented conclusions from the analysis of the situation, it was established that today, August 1, 2023, there was a violation of Polish airspace by 2 Belarusian helicopters that were training near the border. The Belarusian side had previously informed the Polish side about the training. The border crossing took place in the Białowieża area at a very low altitude, making it difficult to detect by radar systems. Therefore, in the morning announcement, the operational command of the armed forces branches informed that the Polish radar systems did not record any violation of Polish airspace. Minsk meanwhile denies any infringement of airspace. The Belarusian Ministry of Defense stated, the accusations of violation of the Polish border by Mi-24 and Mi-8 helicopters of the Belarusian Air Force are too far-reaching and created by the Polish military and leadership to justify the concentration of troops and equipment on the Belarusian border. Belarus and Poland have been on high alert along the border in recent weeks following the deployment of Wagner mercenary troops on the Belarusian side. The PMC is in Belarus to train the country's National Guard forces with fears the operation could be cover for more covert missions aimed at destabilizing NATO. Poland, as a member of both the European Union and NATO, has expressed concerns about its security due to its proximity to Russian ally Belarus and Ukraine on its eastern border. Over the past 2 years, a significant number of migrants and refugees from the Middle East and Africa have been attempting to enter Poland and Lithuania, both of which are also EU and NATO members. European countries, including Poland and Lithuania, view this migration influx as a potential effort by Belarus, which is allied with Moscow, to create instability in the region. Earlier on Tuesday, residents living near the border with Belarus reported witnessing helicopters with Belarusian insignia flying overhead, and some shared photos of the aircraft. Initially, Poland's military denied any airspace violation by the Belarusian helicopters.